Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with my very good friend Andrew, the in-house Oakley ambassador at SportRx. What a cool job, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I get to work on all the content that we put out, the blogs and videos.
He's answering all your YouTube questions on Oakley videos, everyone. By the way, this video is called Crossrange Confusion because there has been a lot of confusion to the very near and dear favorite Oakleys of mine of late of the Crossrange, and I think we just got to go right to the bad news. Should we just go right
bad news first?
Bad news first. The Crossrange series no longer comes with two sets of lenses, or two sets of temples. They used to come with two sets of temples and two sets of nose pads, and now they don't. So if you're watching any of our old videos, sorry, this one is to like try and clear the confusion. At the time of those videos, they came with two. So here was the original deal. The original deal is you get these amazing everyday looking glasses, and if and when you want to, you can put in a sport temple that has unobtainium for grip, or a sport nose pad for unobtainium for grip on your nose. But now in the box, you're only gonna get the lifestyle temples.
Lifestyle temples and lifestyle nose pad.
Which I still think these glasses are super cool, they look good, but the whole kind of concept originally was they're everyday looking glasses that you can do hardcore sports in. In my opinion now, without at least one area of unobtainium, you can't. And in fact, I actually use these for mountain biking often with the unobtainium nose pad, and mine are the matte black color, so I don't really need the sport temple. So I've just been rocking the lifestyle matte black. Maybe if you had the matte black, you'd be okay for lighter sports, but I think if you're doing, like if you need hardcore sport glasses, I don't think the Crossrange crosses the range into that anymore.
Exactly, it kind of defeats the whole versatile idea behind the frame.
Yeah.
However, the lifestyle nose pads have just a little bit of grip to them. They aren't like a true unobtainium nose pad, but there is just a hint of grip.
No, you're right, there is.
You know.
Yeah, so here's the lifestyle one in a shiny color. I guess they're still not really, but I don't know if I'd go like downhilling in them anymore. I don't know.
Exactly.
I don't know.
Kind of lost its edge, maybe just a bit.
Yeah, unfortunately. But the whole idea of this video was to try and clear up the confusion and kind of let all the Oakley people out there know, and all the Crossrange fans out there kind of know that this is the new sitch with the Crossrange. No longer you get those temples. I have heard a rumor that you can get the sport temples separately on Oakley.com.
Yes.
Today's January 7th, I believe, 2019. So today that's a fact. It might not be a fact by the time you're watching this video.
It's the 10th, disclaimer.
It's the 10th?
Sorry.
Man, I'm 3 days behind.
I only know that because it's my girlfriend's birthday.
Ah, so happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, so that's the deal with the Crossrange. In case you were curious, that's the regular Crossrange, that's the XL, that's the patch, and that's the shield. They're all still dope glasses, unobtainium, super comfortable. Not unobtainium, sorry, O-Matter, hard to break. I'm off today a little bit. Good thing you're here, Oakley ambassador.
It's okay, I'm just...
He's got my back.
Watching out.
Yeah, so question number one, we're gonna get in the comments. Why did they do that? Answer number one, we don't know. So, you can ask it and we'll still respond and we'll be happy and polite and nice, but we don't know either. They just, Oakley decided to do that. So we're just letting you know what's going on. All right, everybody, hopefully that was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up. Don't give us a thumbs down because you don't like the news. I mean, we still did our job.
Yeah, we're simply here to inform.
Yes, yes. If you have any questions on anything Oakley related at all, put it down in the comment section, or sunglass related at all, or skateboard related at all. He's pretty serious on the board. Put it down in the comment sections. We'll get back to you. Please subscribe to the channel. Later.